So here is the recently announced Arduino Nicla board that has the Syntiant device on it as well as a microphone, and with a few easy steps you could deploy this type of voice interface to just about any device. So what we're showing here is our second generation silicon, the NDP-115, but this runs on any of the second generation Core 2 silicon devices such as the NDP-120, which is in the Arduino Nicla board. And what we're showing here is a complete self-contained voice interface. It has a wake word followed by commands.
Okay, Syntiant. Up. Next. Down. Back.